Conditional probability is the probability of an event occurring based upon a prior event occurring. We're going to look at that perspective from tabular data. So in this table, the table shows the probable field for study for 150 freshman males and 100 freshman females. We're going to focus on finding the following probabilities. The first one is A, intends to major in business. Well, let's take a look at the table. I can see that there's a column for business, social science, other, and a total. And I can see that we're separated by male, female, and total. So the total on the right has 150 males, 100 females, for a total of 250 freshmen. While the total on the left shows us that there's 36 business students, 25 social science, and 189 other categories. That allows us to understand the table and interpret it correctly. So A, intends to major in business. And we're only looking at business, and we don't have to worry about male or female, so the probability of business is 36 out of the 250 total students. The next one is female. So we want to know females. There are 100 female. The probability of female is 100 out of 250. C, is a female intending to major in business? So we're looking for female and business. So the probability of female and business is 10 out of 250. Part D, is male given that the freshman intends to major in social science? Let me clear off a few things here. So we want male given that the freshman intends to major in social science. When I look at a table and I've been given this given situation, it tells me that I'm only focusing on this column of social science. And within that column, I am then looking at the males. My probability of it being male given social science is 12 out of 25. Now, another way that we could have calculated that is with the formula that was provided at the top. So we could have found the probability of male given social science is equal to the probability of male and social science divided by the probability of social science. If we look back at this, we can see that the probability of male and social science would have been 12 out of 250. We would divide that by the probability of social science, which is the total social science people. That's 25 out of 250. And this fraction with fractions in it would have simplified down to the 12 out of 25. Last one. Intends to major in social science given the freshman is a female. So we're looking at a given of the freshman is a female, and we want social science. The probability of social science given female is 13 out of 100. This could also have been found by using the formula. First, finding the probability of social science intersecting with female and dividing that by the probability of female. The probability of social science intersecting with female is the 13 out of 250. and the probability of female was 100 out of 250. So we can see that that also would have simplified, oh, sorry, it'd be 100 out of 250. That would have simplified down to be 13 out of 100. One last comment I want to make about my answers that I have is that I should reduce all of these particular fractions that can be reduced. I would do that with technology.